Okay. Well, welcome to one of many, I guess, right?
Right.
That is awesome.
It is.
Automatic
Feels great.
braking?
Yep.
Alrighty. So for those of you that don't know, I am Emma. I am the Assistant Service Manager at Speedy on 97th Street. This is Raheem. He's one of our licensed techs. And we're going for a ride in a 2021 Tesla Model Y. I guess we get to see how far this thing will go.
It'll probably go a long way.
For those of you that don't know, the minute I take my foot off the gas, this car brakes. It's pretty cool. We service a lot of Teslas in our shop. All mechanical repairs we do. Anything electrical, of course, would need to go to the dealership. What's your favorite thing about our Teslas?
It's just the design, the simplicity of the car. Very quiet. No gas needed, which is great. Just gotta make sure it's fully charged. That's about it. But great looking car. Beautiful interior. Beautiful leather seats. Feels great. Yeah, overall it's a great car. And it's full electronic.
It is. It's nice to drive.
Oh yeah.
Not gonna lie, I was a little bit skeptical about these Teslas, but
That feels awesome.
that's just so cool
Yeah.
that I don't have to actually push the brake pedal.
And Tesla says that when it's actually braking for you, it's actually charging the battery at the same time.
I didn't know that.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
But it's a subscription that you have to pay. It says that right there. But yeah,
This
it's
is
an
awesome. Can I
feature.
actually watch Netflix on this car
Absolutely.
while I'm driving?
Yes, but I don't think you should.
No, I agree. I don't think that would be anything that anybody would really like to do. I actually really like this.
Maybe you should buy one.
Maybe I should.
Trade in your Dodge.
Oh, Tesla needs to make a vehicle that's like my Dodge Durango. I would probably consider it.
Just without the noise.
4 kids, 2 hockey bags, goalie equipment. I need that room. Think it'll fit in here?
That's a tough one, I would say.
Well, 1 bag will fit for sure.
For sure, for sure.
Maybe my husband's got to find his own way to hockey. Emma's taking the Tesla. See ya.
Think you should take it for the weekend.
Maybe. One of our rigs we go to in the city has plugins for Tesla, so I could go.
There you go. I think when you use the Tesla station, the charging station, it's a little bit faster compared to charging it at home, if I'm not mistaken.
Just in the regular plugs?
Correct.
Yeah.
It just takes a little longer, but I think an overnight charge usually does the job.
Yeah. I would imagine the stations, if they're not Tesla specific, are universal for all EVs, so...
Yep.
But they would have the correct voltage and wattage, and they would be meant for a quick charge, I would imagine.
That's right.
Right? The one at home, your one at home is probably not meant for a quick charge. It's just a standard.
Not. It's a standard slow charge, but takes a few hours. Right?
Mm-hmm.
It's a slow, steady charge.
So I know that when we do our repairs on all of our Teslas, we do charge them up before we give them back.
That's correct.
So you never get an empty charge Tesla back from us. Have you had to do any mechanical repairs on any of our Teslas we've had in?
Not yet.
Just wheel alignment so far.
That's correct.
So I've been with Speedy since late summer, and I know we did have one in. No issues. We were able to do all mechanical changes. We did a mid-column steering gear.
Well, I don't think I was here at that point.
No, I don't think you were. But it worked real well. Yeah, the Teslas are just beauty cars.
Yeah, and the best part is just that this is all you have. It's one big screen, and I think this is a 16-inch screen or 18-inch screen, and everything's controlled through that screen.
I think it might be bigger than my first TV. I had a little black and white TV in my room when I was...
One of those big boxy TVs?
When I was a kid, yeah. Big box.
The tube TVs?
The tube TVs. That's what happens when you're old.
Right.
You end up with these crazy old things.
But yeah, everything's controlled through that screen. It's awesome. Takes a bit to learn it, to get familiar with it, because it's too much information. But it's just a matter of spending some
Just
time.
the driving. I mean,
But it
I'm
drives
getting used to
great.
it nice. It drives nice. The braking is what was throwing me off a little bit, but the auto brake is definitely, I like it.
Oh,
Look at that. I turn my indicator on and I get a nice view of all the cars that are passing me on the left-hand
That's
side.
cool.
That is cool.
Feature.
I can see what's on the left of me.
It's got Netflix, got Disney, got YouTube, and got Twitch. Awesome.
I'm guessing that we could probably put any app on there that you
You
wanted.
probably could. Yeah.
I can see it's got, I'm not going to switch it over, but it's got arcade mode.
Yes.
Holy mackerel. So passengers can like just have a great time.
There you go. Entertaining the kids, especially if you're on a long drive.
Nobody would ever talk ever again.
Right.
Not that they talk now. I mean, everybody's got their earbuds in and all kinds of nonsense, right?
No, this is a great car. It's awesome.
It's nice.
So quiet. And quick response.
Oh, yeah.
It just gets up and goes.
She goes, and it's smooth.
Yep.
It's awesome. Yep.
And I think this model is the all-wheel drive model, right? So
Yeah.
I think it has 4 motors, 1 on each corner.
Wow. So it just goes. It
It's
just picks up and
instant.
go.
It's instant. There's no delay.
Wowzers.
I really think you should buy one.
Yeah, I'm telling you though, I need a bigger vehicle. They need to come up with a big EV.
Because I think they do make a SUV model, if I'm not mistaken.
The Tesla
I'm pretty
does?
sure. I'm pretty sure.
We haven't had any in yet.
No.
Maybe they'll be on their way soon.
The most we've had is the Model S and the Model Ys,
Yes.
as far as I can remember.
And we do have, is the S the SUV version?
The S is the smaller version of this.
Okay, so we have an SUV Tesla, I believe, on the way.
Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah, it's the bigger one. It's coming in soon.
We gotta see that one.
Parking lots. This is a nice car.
The roof is awesome. It's all glass.
It creeps me out a little bit though.
A big rock
No,
chip.
no, I'm talking more like low-flying birds.
It's pretty aerodynamic.
Low-flying birds, bird poop. All of
Well,
that.
at least it's gonna be on
fun
glass and not
stuff.
on paint. And you just hit park.